Alright, check this out, guys. This is a double Fang Grillz set, top and bottom. This is pointy vampire fangs, both the top two teeth on the left and the right side. And this is 925 sterling silver, guys. Solid silver. It's handmade for a perfect fit. Here's the back side. Okay, now this has the connecting bars on the back. The bridge connects the fangs together. All right, here's the front side. Beautiful grills. They're handmade, guys. Custom fitted for a perfect fit. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You get a mold kit. You can get these for the top only, for the bottom only, or you can get the full set just like this. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.